All right, now we're going to actually work some examples with the addition. So let's get into it. Now we have a problem here, and this may be, very elementary, but I do want us to go over it so that we can understand from the very, core what we're doing. When we add whole numbers, it is extremely important that we have the ones position lined up. And then we just simply add place values. Now remember, when we talk about place values, this is the ones position. So we would be adding 5 ones plus 3 ones would be 8 ones. And then we move to the next place value, which would be the tens. So here we're going to be adding 0 plus 6 is 6. Then we move to the hundreds. So 3 plus 5 would be 8. Now that is our ones period, so we put a comma there to separate out the next period. 2 plus 1 would be 3. And then the next place value, 4 plus 1, would be 5. So our answer here is 53,868. Now I realize that as we were going through this, that you were probably going, okay, you're explaining too much. And that may be true, but I really want us to realize that we're adding place value. Because when we move to our next example, here we have 34 plus 49. So again, our ones are lined up, which is extremely important. But now, when we add our ones here, 4 plus 9 is 13. So 4 plus 9 is 13. Well, 13 is not a single digit. That's a double digit. It really means 110 plus 3 ones is what it really means. Now I realize that if you were looking at this problem, you would go, okay, that's 13, so write the 3 and carry the 1. But I want you to understand what's going on here. When we do this, we are saying 4 plus 9 is 13. Well, that is 3 ones and 1 10. So the 10 has to be carried over into the tens column. If you understand that concept with something like addition, it'll be much, much easier for you to translate that to subtraction and then later on to fractions, because it's very, very similar idea. So now we move to our tens column. So we have the 3 plus the 4 is 7, and we carried a 10, so that makes 8 tens. So our answer here would be 83. I really want us to think about that, that whenever you're carrying, you're not just putting the 1 up there. You are literally saying that this is this many ones and this many tens. It's very important to get that idea.